Hey everybody, this is Zachary with Backyard DIY again, and I got another company that reached out for a review on the lighting. Picked up these lights here, and they're super bright. I'm very impressed. I'm going to show you here with the daylight, and then I will show you at night. Also, I will show you for purposes of my YouTube channel, I will show you how I put the switch in there. But for now, it's just here on a simple toggle switch up and down, up being in the on position. And then I will show you the lights at night, so you can see how bright they are. But there they are in the daylight. They're very bright. I couldn't find a good mounting place, so put them back in the grill. And they're mounted up there. Both lights come on swiveling brackets, and overall I'm very impressed with them. So I'll get you some video pictures and stuff of them at night, and you can be just as impressed as I am. You can get a hold of them and get your own set. As always, thanks for watching. Hey guys, here Backyard DIY, Zachary again. Here is our night shot of the LEDs in the grill. Right now it's just the parking or marker lights, I should say, so the orange color. And then the LEDs are obviously right behind there. So there they are. So let me turn this light off, and then go ahead and turn the LEDs on so we can see the difference. There's right across the street, which isn't showing up, but there's the idea of what it looks like right now. And then there's the LEDs, which I think arguably are brighter than my actual headlights. Let me see, that's LEDs, and that's headlights. So let's turn the LEDs on as well. Yeah, I definitely think they're brighter than my headlights, but here they are. And I'm very impressed with them. So I'm going to be leaving 5 stars. And make sure you subscribe to my channel on YouTube, where I show you how I installed this, and I show you how to do lots of other installs on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. This is Zachary.